Welcome back to Investing with Ro, where we'll be discussing the latest news, technical analysis of crypto and stocks. Also be looking at some real estate as well as some business. Just a full-on disclaimer, this is not financial advice, purely for entertainment purposes and for your information. I want to share the information I have with you. If we look at the total cryptocurrency market cap here, sitting at 2.12 trillion, much better since ever since we've been on a downtrend there in November up until basically last week. The past week has been very awesome. Bitcoin, Ethereum still the king and queen of crypto. We can look at the 7-day percentage moving upward here. Bitcoin 4.2%. Ethereum also going strong at 8.55%. Those are really good conservative numbers. You know, when you full on into crypto, you are looking for that 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, and sometimes even the 10 to 100 x's. Very doable, but I mean, I'll take this definitely. Solana here has just been on an absolute ripper for the past week, up 30.41%, and I think it still has a lot of room to run with all the bullish news on Solana. Very exciting for what this project has in store. Very exciting for my personal investment in Solana, which I've made, and I've been dollar cost averaging ever since it went down, and it's actually paying off now because it just skyrocketed through past my average buy price. Cardano also had some bit of movement there past week, which I'm very excited about. Terra Luna is just crushing it as well. I mean, at an all-time low, well, not an all-time low, at a low all-time March low of about $77 and now sitting at $106. I mean, they are just scooping up Bitcoin. That's why that price is just moving up. Yeah, Avalanche also doing very well, performing very well. Those are good figures. Oh man, I can't wait for altcoin season where all these altcoins just go parabolic. You know, that will be insane. So overall, we see a lot of green here in the market. Here and there some red, but I'll take that any day. If you look at the 7-day, ZIL, yeah, that 3x in the last 7 days. That is crazy. Also GMT Steppen 285%. I knew I should have got into that project since it listed there on Binance. However, you win some, you can't win them all. But overall, very happy with the crypto space. Aave very well. VeChain's making some improvement there. So yeah, I think we're in a good point in time. It's not all blood on the streets. If you look at the fear and greed index, we can just look at the fear and greed. Sorry for that. I think when I checked it this morning, it was at a neutral of 50. That's neutral. There's not a lot of blood on the streets and the people aren't greeding, so I think we still have some room to run. You want to buy people's fear here in the red, and you want to sell the people's greed here in the green. I think whenever we move towards greed here, or more greed, that's when we're going to see our insane altcoin season, which everybody has been talking about, which I still want to experience as well. If we look at just look at Bitcoin's technical analysis, in my last video, which I posted yesterday, here's my pattern, and we actually went down. We tested this support line here. It was previous resistance, broke through, and now we are testing that support line, and it's actually holding it, which is great. So hopefully this pattern of mine can play out. Profit taking areas, definitely here around the 48,000. That's going to be a major support level. We just cannot break through it, but once we've broken through it, we are going to shoot up to that 54,000 US dollars. I think then we'll have a little bit of pullback here, turning this 48,000 previous resistance, which is currently still resistance, into support, and then just off to the races, to the moon. And I think we're going to see a new all-time high. You know, our all-time high here, 64, 69,000, 68,000. I think we're going to pass that. So definitely, let's just go to the 1 hour chart, and you can clearly see here the there you can see what we broke through the resistance there, and we just were touching that 48,000, you know, that barrier there for us. But the bulls, please guys, let's just get through that, testing this previous resistance, the support here, which is a great sign. And I think the next couple of weeks are going to be pretty amazing. And I think Bitcoin's got a lot in store for us. I think there's opportunities. Actually, I think this might have been a good position. It confirmed the support line here. Maybe a good position to put in a long here. Once again, not financial advice, only education purposes and for your information. But I really think that for the next couple of weeks, we might see some flippin' good price action. We just need to hold the support here. So what do you guys think? Am I spot on with the technical analysis so far? I know it's only one day, but I mean, I think I'm on the right track here. What's your view on Bitcoin, the entire cryptocurrency space at the moment? Do you think there's a lot of opportunities? And for me, crypto is so early at the moment. I mean, we're only sitting at just over 2 trillion market cap. It is so early. People said, I should have got into Bitcoin 10 years ago. Yes, I wanted to get into Bitcoin as well when it was $1. But no, I didn't get in, and I got in already, which is always a good time. They say the best time to get in was yesterday, and the second best time to get into crypto is today. I think within the next 5 to 10 years, there's going to be a great majority of opportunities in this space. I'm very excited for what's going to happen in the next couple of years. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's build this community and let's carry each other through this and create wealth together. Cheers.